In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Squarespace pages efficiently and effectively, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your site with fresh content or simply making a few tweaks, we'll cover everything you need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Opening your preferred web browser, simply enter the Squarespace website URL to ensure that you're on the home page. This is where you'll begin the journey of editing your site. Once there, you'll see the Get Started button. Go ahead and click that. If you're already a Squarespace user, it'll guide you to a login page. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to create an account. Logging in takes you to your dashboard, essentially the control center for your site. Now, in the dashboard, it's time to click on the Edit option. This step is crucial as it allows you to access and modify the live version of your site. With a simple click, you're taken to your website's editing environment where all the customization magic happens. Next, look for the Website tab, and under it you'll find Pages. Clicking on Pages will reveal a list of all your website's pages. This is where you can choose which page you want to update. From your home page to specific service pages, you can simply click on the one you're aiming to update. Once you've made your selection, hit Edit to enter the page editor. Inside the page editor, you'll notice various settings, specifically the Edit section settings. Here, you can make detailed modifications to grid rows and gaps. It's incredibly helpful for removing any unnecessary spacing, giving your site a cleaner, more streamlined look. Want to add some new content? Click on the Add Section button to insert a new section, or choose from pre-made sections. Squarespace's user-friendly interface lets you click directly on individual blocks, such as text, images, or buttons, to edit their content or settings. If something isn't needed anymore, simply hover over the block and you'll see a delete icon appear. Click it, and the block is removed. After you've made all your edits and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for a final, crucial step. Click on the Save button to publish the changes you've made. This ensures that your updates are live for all visitors to see. By following these steps, you'll be able to edit your Squarespace pages swiftly and with ease. Keep practicing, and before long, you'll be a pro at managing and updating your site. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!